So this video is about MHC molecules, and MHC stands for major histocompatibility complex. Now MHC is a part of DNA, and when I'm saying that part of DNA, it obviously means that it is a segment of gene. And what do genes do? They code specific proteins. So this encodes cell surface protein. These MHC molecules actually encodes cell surface proteins. So now these MHC molecules, these are protein molecules that are found on cell surface. Now wherever is any kind of infection is detected by MHC molecule, what they do, they come in contact with antigens, and they call T helper cells for help. It also it is present in all the cells in our body. And the reason of these being present in every cell, because we do not know that what are the chances of infection in our body. Like infection can occur anytime in any part of our body. So this reason they are present in every cell in our body. It is found on cell surface proteins and is required for adaptive immune response, because here T helper cells and T cytotoxic cell plays a important role wherever infection occurs, and it binds with MHC foreign molecule to act in it. Now there are two major types of MHC protein molecule. First one is class 1 and second is class 2. Class 1 MHC molecule span the membrane of almost every cell in an organism, while class 2 molecules are restricted to cells of the immune system called macrophages and lymphocytes. Talking about their function, it contains self as well as non-self. Non-self here means foreign antigen, and they bring about defense against infections and diseases. They mediate certain autoimmune disease. They are responsible for individual smell of people. In order to make it more easy to understand, I have differentiated both MHC class 1 and MHC class 2. Now in MHC class 1, class of major histocompatibility. Now I'm using this word, that histocompatibility. Now it is compatibility between the tissue of different individuals, so that one accepts a graft from the other without giving immune reaction. It actually means this. So what I was saying, that class of major histocompatibility complex molecules found on surface of nucleated cell in mammals. Whereas in MHC class 2, class of major histocompatibility complex molecules mainly found on antigen presenting cell such as macrophages, dendritic cells and B cells. Now again, MHC class 1 composed of 3 alpha domain and single beta domain. Whereas in MHC class 2, what happens, that composed of 2 alpha and beta domains. Again, in MHC class 1, 3 types of MHC A, MHC B and MHC C. Whereas in MHC class 2, MHC D is the main type. Okay. Again, MHC class 1, here antigens of cytotoxics are present. Cytotoxic T cells are present. Whereas in MHC class 2, antigens to helper T cells are present. Again, the last one, in MHC class 1, these are responsible for the clearance of endogenous antigens, whereas in MHC class 2, these are responsible for clearance of exogenous antigens.